Have you ever wondered how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to boost your income? With the rapid advancements in AI technology, it's now possible to earn money using a variety of innovative tools that can automate tasks, generate leads, and create high-demand content. As a tech-savvy professional, you're likely aware that AI tools can save you time and increase productivity. But did you know that you can also monetize these tools to earn a significant income? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective methods to make money with AI tools in 2026. Let's start with the most popular AI tool for content creation, AI-powered writing assistants. These tools can generate high-quality blog posts, articles, and even entire books in a matter of minutes. For example, the AI writing assistant, Content Blossom, can produce a 1,000-word article in just 10 minutes, saving you hours of research and writing time. To use Content Blossom, follow these simple steps. First,